Menteri Rangba Gajela Ukonrat Sangma ha kalai terik unailur arhaja arpusau ula Pynher ya kalama India Kaba Jrong Kumba Saupo meter but Plie Paidbah ya ka master plan na kabinta ka redevelopment of Barik project kabadan haplau jong ka office PWD. Nalor kani kalama Kaba Jrong hadu Saupo meter kindon ru ka jingpin kala dur shaki jaka yat kejat Paidbah ki madan ki jaka yalek kai khna ki restaurant ki jaka yeng taxi bat kiwei. Habakren ha ka jingalang Menteri Rangba ula pentip ba ka jinglut jong kani ka project kan long arpusan klur bat yaka kam an sedang no ha ubnai risau lani ha ka sedang tayau jong unai wi. Ula ongru ba kani ka kompleks kan long ru kum kadak jong ka jingya teli amdei na kabenta ka jela hinrei na kabenta ka ribaro kawai. Shushu ula pensyai baki yengrim kibaran hapo kani ka kompleks antai penbha yaki bat bantingka yaki klem dakta ani penpra.
1, 2, 3.
Oh ya ya,
Upload ayo. Portrait. Getting up. Before we get to this spitting part, I think what is most important to remember is that this particular park that we are planning to have, this particular junction that we're redeveloping out here, is going to be more than just a park or a tourist spot. As I mentioned in my speech, our larger vision is to really give a message of unity among the people of our state, and also a message of unity in the nation as a whole. And that's the reason why we started this project with the national flag, which is obviously the symbol of our national pride and of our nation. Beyond that, as I said, we'll be having different aspects of culture, we'll be having different aspects of tourism also involved in this. And I'm very, very hopeful that this will become one of the most iconic points from the tourism perspective. Having said that, yes, concerns of maintenance are very crucial. And this is where not just the department, not just the government, but the society and the people will also play a very, very important role. And hence, we all need to feel the sense of ownership. We all need to feel that this is our pride. And therefore, we are hopeful, and we will continue to remind the public, the tourist, that maintaining cleanliness and ensuring that we are able to really keep this entire place clean is something that will be a priority for us. And not just here, but we're hopeful that this kind of a culture will be there in most of the parts of the city. It's not easy. It requires a lot of commitment from the society, but that's the reason why I am taking this opportunity also to appeal through the press and the media to our society and to the public at large, that this is not just a government property or a government location or a tourist location. This belongs to the people of Shillong. This belongs to the people of Meghalaya. And it is our responsibility to ensure that we keep it clean and we maintain it. And I'm hopeful that will be the case. And from the government side, we will do whatever it takes to ensure that we are able to support that particular objective of maintaining and keeping this place clean.
How do you ensure that projects to be taken up within this iconic project as well? Will be funds coming from which source or under which scheme?
Right now, it's of course part of our own funding that we are working on. But of course, the different aspects of funding from the center will also be explored.